Welcome to Leviton's Project of the Week series. Each week we'll introduce a simple weekend upgrade to improve safety, help save energy, add convenience, or update the look of your home. Nothing is more important than the safety and well-being of your family while you're at home. That's why a great idea for a project is a basic audit of the electrical outlets in your house in order to reduce the risk of electric shock. As an industry leader, Leviton offers safety-related products that should be at the top of your safety upgrade list. To start, tamper-resistant outlets are a must for any home in which a child lives or may visit. They address the concern all parents or guardians of small children have. What happens if a child inserts a foreign object like a paperclip or key into a live outlet? Leviton tamper-resistant outlets help prevent this. They feature a shutter mechanism inside the device that blocks access to the contacts unless a two-prong plug is inserted, helping to keep curious children safe. Equally important for your safety review is something many of us learned at a young age, which is electricity and water don't mix. If they do, a potentially hazardous condition called a ground fault can occur. This can lead to shock and electrocution to a person using the electrical appliance. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, help prevent this hazard by detecting ground faults and responding by interrupting the flow of electricity to the outlet and to anything plugged into it. GFCI protected outlets are not only essential, they are required by the National Electrical Code in bathrooms, kitchens, basements, laundry areas, garages, and outdoors. Basically any location a water source is present. It's particularly important to check these areas in older homes where standard outlets may still be present. Leviton Smart Lock Pro GFCIs feature our patented Reset Lockout protection. This prevents the device from resetting if it's damaged and cannot respond to a ground fault. And as an additional layer of safety, newer GFCIs have a self-monitoring feature which automatically tests the GFCI at regular intervals to ensure it's providing protection for you and your family. GFCIs come in a variety of models, bridging safety and convenience. For instance, guide light GFCIs are great for kitchens and bathrooms, and audible GFCIs, which sound an audible alert if the device trips, are suitable for basements, garages, and other areas where a GFCI outlet may not be readily visible. And the slim physical profile behind the scenes of all Smart Lock Pro GFCIs makes them easier to install, especially in older homes that have smaller wall boxes. Installing Leviton tamper-resistant outlets and GFCI outlets is an important way to help protect your family from everyday electrical hazards. For more detailed information on these essential safety products, visit our website at leviton.com/safety.